What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It is the holiday season and you're trying to find that perfect gift for that motorcycle enthusiast significant other you have. So here are a few items that they will appreciate, you will appreciate, and give you peace of mind that they will be safe on the road. Also, all of these gifts are under $100. You can't beat that. $100 doesn't seem like a lot anymore these days. Bidenomics fucked this country up, but here are some tools that will help them along their motorcycle journey and that they will use all the time. All these gifts are gifts that will keep on giving throughout the year. So let's get into it. So first thing, we got this Stockton roadside tool roll that they will definitely need out on the road, especially when something happens on the road that you need some tools. This right here has everything in it that you need and that they will appreciate. Now, if they don't have tools at home, this is a great start. This is a great start for someone who's just getting into motorcycling, and these tools right here could save your life on the side of the road. Now, there's two versions of this. It comes in SAE or metric. Now you ask me, what's the difference? The difference is SAE is all American made motorcycle, Harleys, Indians, the old Victories, stuff like that. They will definitely use SAE. The other is metric. Obviously, most of the world uses metric, so your metric is usually your Hondas, your Kawasaki's, your Suzuki's, Triumph, Royal Enfield. All those motorcycle manufacturers use metric system. So you might have to figure out what kind of bike they ride. You might have to do some recon. But for this, I'll show you what comes in this tool roll. It has everything. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So this tool roll has everything that you need to do a roadside repair. From screwdrivers to zip ties, anything you could think of that you need on the side of the road, this will definitely help you. Pliers, fuses, anything. You could check out Cycle Gear, because I got this from Cycle Gear. They have a list of what's in this kit, but this has everything that you'll need for that roadside repair. So this is the Mega Boost Pro Series 4000. Now this is a battery charger and a battery maintainer. It's good for 6-volt batteries, 12-volt batteries for your bike. Depending on the 12-volt battery, it could charge between 2 volts or 4 volts. I keep this on my Harley. The big Harleys, you know, it takes a lot of power, a lot of juice to crank over a bike. This will definitely maintain your battery for a longer time. I used this when I first got my 2020 Road Glide. I had the original battery for 4 years. I recently just changed it because supposedly you're supposed to change your battery every 2 years on a bike. I changed it 4 just because of this product. Now, it comes with alligator clips. So if you want to take the battery out of your bike and put it somewhere safe, you can charge your battery using the alligator clips. Also, it has a quick disconnect for your bike. You could put this on your bike, under the seat, or wherever your battery is. You can hook this up to your battery. It has a fuse in here. The fuse will protect it, and it has an easy disconnect. With this unit right here, plug it near a power source, and this will charge the battery and maintain it. I've been running this unit for 4 years, never had a problem. I use it with the Harley, I use it with the Honda, and now I also use it with my brother-in-law's bike that hasn't been started in a while. And this definitely charged up the batteries and maintained them. So all the products I'm showing you right now are all on Cycle Gear. Use the links below. I am affiliate with Cycle Gear. So if you use the link, click the link. If you buy the item, it helps out the channel. So let's get on with the video. 98, 99, 100. Next is this Lexing P5 portable air pump. This will definitely save you some time. You don't have to go to the gas station anymore to put air in your tire. You don't need to carry that little metal thing that you read off of and check your tire pressures with it, because it does everything right here. You screw it onto the valve, it tells you what your pressure is running, you set it to what pressure you want it to, and it will pump it up. It is battery powered. It comes with the charging cable, and also you can charge your phone with this. It has all the hoses and hookups that you need. It also comes with a little pin here. I didn't take it out of the bag, but you can charge a football, basketball, anything you like. You could use this for your car. You could use this for your regular bike. You could use this for your ATV, UTV. Check the tire pressures on that. Tire pressure is very important, especially when you're out on twos. And this will definitely help you check your tire pressures before you go out on the road. So this is the Slime tire repair kit. Where I live, it's a densely populated area. There's a lot of crap on the ground. I don't know why there are a lot of screws and a lot of nails on the road. If you get a nail in your tire, it can be really, really depressing, especially if you paid good money for a new tire. Now this is not to replace getting a new tire. This repair kit will help you repair your tire, take that screw out, put a plug in it, and get you safely home. After you plug it, if you picked up the Lexan pump, it'll help you put air in your tire. But do not just run the tire with the plug in it. This is just to help you get home safe, and once you get home, order that new tire, and then once the new tire comes in, hopefully the plug will stay. It will hold the air in the tire. Bring it to your local shop and they can change the tire on your bike. And last but not least is the Riders Plus membership. The Riders Plus membership for Cycle Gear is an awesome membership. It's a yearly membership. You pay $60. You get 2-day priority shipping. You earn 5% cash back. It's not actual physical cash, it's more credit to the next item. Sometimes you get a good discount on certain items. Usually you get 10% off most of the items on their website. You can use it at Revzilla. You can use it at J&P Cycles. It has a lot of benefit, and basically this year all the money I spent at Cycle Gear is going to pay for next year's membership. That is almost up at the end of this year. So there you have it, guys. Those are the 5 items that you could pick up for $100 or less. Great products for that motorcycle enthusiast, significant other you have. They will love them, and like I said, those gifts will keep on giving. So use the links below. They're all affiliate links. So if you use the links, you buy something, it helps out the channel. No cost to you. So if you like today's video, guys, please hit that like button. Also, if you do hit the like button, please consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, please hit that bell notification. Every time I upload something, the good old YouTube will let you know. So Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. It's an awesome time. Don't forget to pick up some of these gifts for that motorcycle enthusiast significant other you have. Peace out.